Hi guys, welcome to my website. It's called Init. So what Init is, let's check. It's about a website that has it's a clothing website with two market, the B2B, B2C, business to customer, and then C2C, customer to customer market. Customer to customer market has sellers or users where they can go in, set up price and sell their products, and the buyers will be other users. The B2C market is when in it ourselves provide products and then selling to all users in the community. So first, this is the homepage of the website. We got all the menus here, the titles, the web name, all the link, card, and scrolling down we have new products, some highlight of new products available in December 5th, and then upcoming dates, upcoming schedule, events, all the big brands or small brands collabing. Here is our fall and winter collection, and it will only be producing a little bit of everything. Okay, let's go to About Us. This is about us. This is the page, a little description of what it is. Basically what I told you before. So in it also begins with love, passion, and desire for fashion, as well as the idea of Bitcoin. So we thought of Bitcoin and how it cannot be used physically, and that's when we came up with an idea of like, how about building something online that can, how about building fake money online and that can be used online for clothing, and that's how Init came out. Uh, so there's an option to become a seller. Once you click in, you will have to register yourself to become the seller of the C2C market. You will have to provide date of birth, name, address, email, and social media is it's optional. So here's our items that we have. Currently we have pretty not that many. We have glasses and tops. And here is what we have from our users. We have jackets, knitwear, tops, and once you click inside, you click in a certain items, it will notify you if it will have a description of saying if it's the condition, the color, and more details such as these. So for more information, you can contact us. We're available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Here's our email, phone number, and street address. Here's our hours of work and a location in the map. Let's go to my reward. So one thing about Init is special is that we have a My Reward program where the more transaction you do from the C2C, you will earn more reward to the B2C so that you can redeem it, and you can also have an option of buying more rewards. Here is the last page of it, the frequent asked question. What are B2B and B2C? How different is Init to eBay and Grail? How is this share economy application, and what percentage seller get back? Can I buy rewards point, and how long does shipping take? So, yep, this is overall of Init.